Stop scrolling. The 2025 housing crash is not coming, it's already here. In cities across the country, foreclosure numbers are hitting levels that feel like 2008 all over again. And this isn't just about home prices dropping. Entire local economies are starting to unravel before our eyes, and most people still think it's just a temporary dip. It's not. Let's start in Cape Coral, Florida. On the surface, it looks perfect. Canals, waterfront homes, sunshine, and no state income tax. But the median home price here has fallen from $465,000 to about $260,000 in less than 2 years, a drop of more than 40%. Meanwhile, homeowners are facing skyrocketing insurance costs, and some are being dropped from coverage entirely. Annual premiums for a $300,000 home can now hit $8,000 to $10,000. $1 couple saw their insurance double while their home value plunged over $100,000. Rebuilding after Hurricane Ian added even more stress. Houses sit on the market for months, and deep price cuts are becoming the norm. Rentals offer little relief, leaving families squeezed by costs and uncertainty. Cape Coral is a warning for every coastal market. Next, Austin, Texas. Once celebrated for booming tech jobs and rapid growth, Austin is seeing its median home price drop from $575,000 to just under $385,000, a decline of about 1/3. Tech layoffs, slowed hiring, high mortgage rates, and overbuilt condos have cooled the market. Luxury units sit empty for months. Homeowners are discovering that high prices no longer match demand. Rising utility rates, insurance costs, and environmental risks are adding pressure. Many residents who moved in during the hype are quietly leaving, looking for more affordable areas. Boise, Idaho tells a similar story. Prices shot up more than 70% during the pandemic as buyers from high-cost states poured in. But by 2025, values have dropped close to half from their peak. Many buyers overpaid relative to local incomes, and some remote workers have left as tech companies tighten policies. Foreclosures and steep losses are now common, and rents aren't rising enough to offset costs. Boise shows how quickly a hidden gem can become a cautionary tale when investment outruns sustainable growth. Las Vegas, Nevada, is another example. Median home prices fell from $475,000 to the high $200,000s in some neighborhoods, a drop of around 60%. Short-term rentals and investor purchases no longer generate the expected income. Occupancy rates have softened, and households face rising insurance and utility costs. Some buyers now owe more than their home is worth. Las Vegas built on risk, but the current reset is forcing a reality check. Phoenix, Arizona, has seen its median home price fall from the low $600,000s to around $300,000, a near 50% drop. New subdivisions were built faster than schools, clinics, and shops could support. Rising interest rates slowed buying dramatically, leaving homes on the market for months. Extreme heat, higher utility costs, and expensive insurance have added new burdens. Investors and families who counted on sunshine and space are realizing affordability isn't just the purchase price. It's everything that comes with owning a home. San Francisco, California, once the symbol of unstoppable tech wealth, has seen median prices fall from $1.6 million to under $900,000 in many areas. Remote work, office vacancies, and softening demand have shifted buyer psychology. HOA fees, insurance, and property taxes remain high, forcing owners to choose between selling at a loss or holding onto a costly investment. Wildfire risk, infrastructure strain, and affordability pressures are now defining the market. Even Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and other previously booming areas are feeling the impact. The combination of speculation, overbuilding, rising costs, and changing demographics is creating a national story. The American dream of homeownership is no longer guaranteed, and many families are discovering the harsh realities of today's housing market. The lesson is clear. This is not a short-term dip. The 2025 housing crash is real, and it's reshaping the way Americans think about buying, investing, and even living in their homes. Research carefully, understand local risks, and don't be fooled by appearances. In a market like this, patience and knowledge aren't just smart, they're essential.